Our little continuation here. I've got the fuel line all cinched up, nice and secure. So that's good. There was a bolt in the back that connected to the fuel line. I connected that as well. Currently I'm draining the oil. I'm about to just change the fluids, put the fluids in, put the oil filter in, and then once that is done, I have to come over here to the dash. It's kind of hard to see, but there is a relay that goes in here that I had to disconnect. So there's some components inside the car I have to put back together. So that will be coming as well. Just getting the oil in there now. Let's see. Looks like it's about midway. Yeah. Yeah, it's about almost full. I'm gonna change the oil in about probably 1,000 miles. Depends on how it runs. If it runs really well, which I hope it does because it's a Toyota engine. All right, that's almost full. All right, really want to get it all full. All right, oil and a gallon of antifreeze was used. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hook up the battery, and then we'll move into the inside of the car and put that relay back together, and that is it. We should be able to start the car. We're gonna plug in the relay under the dash. It's this right here. Just plugs right in. This is the main fuel relay, and what you do is you unplug this and then you start the car, and it drains the fuel pressure. That way when you take apart the fuel line, you don't get blasted with gas. It's a really nice thing. I think I disconnected a couple things back here. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look and see if I disconnected a couple of things back here. I remember not getting it right the first time. There's a plug right here, so I'm gonna fish around and look. I'm gonna fish around and look and see if this needs to plug into something. But I think actually, okay, it plugs into the back of the dash is what it does. Okay, so that should be fine there. All I have left is the battery to connect. All right, let's keep working on this. Okay, here she is. She's running. Pretty stoked. And underneath the car, no leaks. I'm just letting it warm up. Just let it warm up for a minute. Sounds pretty good. Let's just check and see. There is no check engine light on. It's probably been running for about 5 minutes, maybe a little longer. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. Oh, Blew out stuff from the exhaust. Got all over the bag. Oh well. Alright, I'm just checking to see. Alright, that tube's hot. Fan hasn't kicked on yet. Should probably kick on here in a minute. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good.